Data distributions. Alright, we have a fair amount of vocab for this lesson, but I've broken it up into two sections. This first section is mostly going to be a review, and the second section, which I think has some new information, is going to be covered, I think, with concept 4. Alright, so mean is the average of a data set. Add up all of your values, divide by the number of values you have to get your mean. Median is the middle number of a data set. If it has an even number, so there's no middle, you're going to find the mean of the two middle values. Okay? Mode is the value that occurs most often. Range is the difference between the greatest and the least values. So find your highest value, find your lowest value, find the difference. Okay? And then an outlier is a value that's very different and doesn't really fit in with the rest of your data in a set. Okay? So, concept 1, finding mean, median, mode, and range of a data set. Okay, so here I've got my data set. Alright, and to find my mean, median, mode, and range, I'm going to just go through and I'll start with mean. Okay, let's see if I can get this. I'm going to have to do it off screen a little bit. I'm going to add up all my values. So I got 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 and 10 and 11 and 13 and 15, 17, 18 and 21. And I can look actually to make sure I got them all. 3, 5, 6, 6, 8, 10, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 21. Alright, I've got all of my values. And that equals 143. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 values. So 143 divided by 13 is 11. So 11 is going to be my mean. Right? I'll actually just type it in here. So my mean is 11. Alright, my median, so my middle number, if I've got 13 values, that's going to be, the middle number is going to be 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My seventh number, so I've got 6 below it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 above it. So 10 is my median. Alright, my mode, I've got 2 6s and 2 10s, and those are my only duplicates. So my mode, and in this case my mode, my modes are going to be 6 and 10. Alright, and if I didn't have duplicates of 6 or 10, and I just had one single number for each of these values, no duplicates, no repeats, I wouldn't have any modes. Alright, and then range, I'm going to take my greatest value, 21, subtract it by 3 to get 18, and that's my range. And that's it.